Hi amazing people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is another day dito sa Furong Town. Pero, ang itinerary natin for today is actually to go to Avatar Mountains and then pagdating daw sa hapon sa Tianmen Mountain naman. So, mahababang lakaran na naman to at iba na naman yung makikita natin for today's episode and for today's day dito sa ating tour with SMP Travel and Tours. So, exciting day today guys and tara, samahan niyo ako po tayo dito. Okay, let's sit down here. Mabilis ang kain na lang kasi baka ganda naman. Magdi-discuss. So, compulsory naman. So guys, before I leave the hotel, I just wanna take time to appreciate the view. So, ang view niya pala kapag umaga, itong bridge. Ang ganda. May river, then may bridge. Tapos, ayun. So, ganitong view lang naman ang binigay sa aking room. And sa kabila yung parking. Sa gabi kasi parang hindi ko na to nakita, siguro sa antok na rin. Pero ngayon, ayan, kitang-kita. Ang ganda. So, waking up to this view is really nice. Tapos, parang puro salamin talaga tong room na to. Ayan, share ko lang. Kasi bababa na ako at mag-breakfast time na. So, baba muna tayo. So guys, waiting na lang tayo sa elevator. So, same system nung kahapon. Mag-check out din kami dito. Then, lilipat kami ulit sa isa pang hotel mamayang gabi. Then yun na yung final na hotel namin. So at least, yung gamit kasi lang sa maleta lang. Hindi ko na nilalatag ganyan. So at least mamaya, or at least last na lipat na to. So looking forward ako dun. So breakfast sa baba and then alis na rin ng 8. So meron pa tayong mga about 15 minutes para mag-breakfast. So guys, ito yung breakfast hall nila. Hindi ko hingi yung coupon ko for breakfast. Saan kaya hiniin? Morning po! So guys, ikot ko lang kayo quickly. Parang mas maraming choices dito compared dun sa hotel kahapon. Pero same lang din naman halos ng content. Ito mo, masarap yung minced pork ko. Ayan. Okay. Morning. Ayan, so dito merong salad. May salad bar sila. So, kain na tayo. Alright guys, so kakain na tayo. Ang aking kinuha ay ito. So, may gulay, gyoza. Ito yung minced pork rice. Tapos, isang katerbang fruits. So, mabilis ang kain na lang kasi baka nag-aabang na yung bus. Pero pakain pa lang din yung tour guide. So, on time pa naman tayo. So, let's eat first. Okay guys, we're done with breakfast. Tayo ay lilipat na ng gamit. Akyat na natin tong gamit sa bus.
Another 2 hours, okay? Another 2 hours to Zhangjiajie City, which is where the Avatar Mountain and the Tianmen Mountain is located. Okay? Yeah. Take a look once again. Still remember where was the last night the palace? Actually, those buildings are right there, that corner. Okay, and you can see this is finally bunch of mountains and rivers together. So the entire view of the village here is just gorgeous, still gorgeous. Okay, and still remember what is the name of this minority? Silence. No, Yao. No. Last night I introduced like 2 times, huh? 2 times.
Turong. Turong Town. Turong Towners.
Tujia. The minority is called Tujia. Okay. And those buildings all belongs to Tujia, and those with the different angles and the curving roof. These are all Tujia minority. Okay. And then also just like yesterday, I've noticed some of us when you buy something, okay. Seems like, take a look this side, see some of those typical buildings right there. Like I said yesterday, the side wall of the building always higher than the front. Okay, do you know what it is for? The sidewall. Okay, why it's higher than the roof itself? Do you know? Because it's all wooden building. So once there is some of the, for example, building to catch fire, right? So the fire cannot just spread to another. So there is still time for the other people to evacuate. That is the reason. Because all the building, they're all next to each other. So that is the reason. Okay?
So guys, quick CR break lang dito. 2 hours nga kasi yung biyahe pabalik ng Shangjiajie. And ayun, medyo matagal-tagal kaya may CR break. Buti na lang kasi ang dami kong nakain ng breakfast. Ayun, nakainom ako ng isang bottled water. Kaya nasa CR na rin ako. So ito yung lugar ng CR break namin. May bridge dito. Ganda oh. Last pala ng bridge na yun. Pero hindi kami dyan dumaan eh. So dito yung CR. Tapos may Dai Coffee. May coffee shop. Pwede kayong bumiling kape. Ayan. So share ko lang. Medyo malayo-layo pa tayo sa Shangjiajie. So guys, ang aming first stop for today's tour is compulsory shopping sa herbal medicinal shop dito sa Shangjiajie. Ayan, so alam niyo naman na part to ng tour. So ayan guys, susundan lang natin yung representative nitong medicinal shop. Ganda naman. Ganda naman ang medicinal shop na ito. Ang ganda. So, andun sila. Punta muna tayo doon. Ayan. So, meron ditong mga souvenir items. Guys, na tinitinda. Meron din silang mga ref magnets. Ayan. So, guys, dito sa labas merong 5 yuan na bargain price ng mga ref magnets. Mura na to. Ayan, yung mga attractions na pinuntahan or pupuntahan natin. Ito napuntahan natin kahapon. Ito pupuntahan pa lang. Ito today. Ito kahapon. Yan. So sundan natin guys. Ang pangalan pala nitong herbal shop na to is Tong Ren Tang.
You know, everyone, Beijing is the capital of China. Is it our capital of China, right? You heard the my voice?
I want to introduce you.
Wait. Okay, so Torentown, so I will character tell is mainly in China. Okay, so Tou, in China means equal. Everyone have the equal right. Okay, Ren in China means people. Tang, it refers to a pharmacy. So our name stands for the idea of treating everyone equally. Everyone can receive the same quality and here immediately. Okay. So that's our philosophy of our the name. Okay, so you can something on the executive 69. This one to stress the coolness, the kidney, very effective. Energy booster. Yeah, kidney, very professional. Also for women, that is okay because if you some problems with kidney deficiency, you easily get fatigued, easily get tired. Okay, so this is one. I will tell you his name. In China, we call it 冬虫夏草 because in winter it looks like the worm, but in summer it turns into kind of grass. So its name is winter worm and summer grass. Yeah, cordyceps in English that means the cordyceps. Yes. So everyone, I will show you this picture. You can see the three major treatments.
Ito yun, guys.
This one, just as I said before, is acupuncture. Can relieve your back pain because in our body we have a lot of acupoints. Okay. So maybe in that time maybe the needle is thinner, but now it's thinner, not very thick. So almost you cannot feel the painful the pain feeling. Okay, for this one, just as I said before, we know that everyone. This one's function, can detoxify poisonous or the toxins from your body. If you have some problems with your liver, maybe your liver cannot work very well. When you eat something, when you breathe in something, a lot of the poisonous or the very garbage will accumulate inside your body more and more. So you need to use the Vendosa to open your pore to gradually detoxify. So this is their function. Okay, about this one. So everyone in Zhangjiajie we have a lot of minorities, ethnic groups. So this one special skills from minority Miao. Okay, we can use the mugwort, herb. We use a fire light the herb. The herb will give off some smoke and to warm up your stomach and uterus, especially for women give birth to a baby. His body very down, very wet. You can use the special skills to warm up, to toniify. Okay, so everyone, this part, please follow me.
So ito na guys, may sit down discussion na after niya preliminary discussion. So paupuin tayo dito. Yan. So po tayo dito. Okay, let's sit down here. Sandali lang guys. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel na ito na AJTV Amazing Travels, mag-subscribe ka na dahil malaking tulong yun para sa akin na may pagpatuloy ang paggawa ng mga ganitong klaseng travel videos. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Subscribe na. Now back to the vlog.
The freebie is the black goji. The normal goji is the red one. Black is better than the red one. In fact, more obviously. Okay, maybe just the 3 to 5 pieces with the hot water, drink it. It's focused on your eyesight, especially using computer for a long time. Very relieve fatigue, or feel tired, feel dry or tired. It's very effective to relieve. Okay, this one. Okay, so everyone, first question, my name. So what's my name? Nancy, really? More exactly. Directly.
Jose.
Nancy Maganda, yes, correct. Okay, thank you everyone. So the first one, just like this question. Later, I will one by one to tell the different function. So, and in the last, I will question. So for everyone, who is the product function? Who is this one's function? Okay, yes. This one is special for kids or for babies. So any age you can use it. Yeah, of course, use it on face because his function is focused on skin pores. So the skin pores, especially in summer, mosquito bites, itching pores, or allergy, dermatitis, hives, or the eczema. So why we especially for the baby or kids because for baby or kids, the immune system is not very good. So easily get some itching problem, especially for baby like to play on the ground, easily get some bacteria on your skin. So you can use it to control the bacteria. So everyone can enjoy the tea. Be careful, let me help.
They said may patina.
So this one is the name, the powerful brain, powerful leaf. It's focused on the skin pores. Okay, so everyone can have a try. Yeah.
Ipapatry yung cream. Thank you. So ito yung tea. Oo, ang laki ng mukha ko. Ito yung... Okay. Try natin. Maganda daw sa balat ito. Amoy ano siya, pating ko. So try na rin natin tong tea. Kung same to nung sa Hangzhou. Init pala. Sobrang init.
Everyone, the tea, the kind of mixture that then maybe another, I will tell you example.
So guys, meron silang oil, tapos meron silang pwedeng mag-free massage daw. Ayan, nag-aalok sila ng free massage, pero itetest yung oil sa'yo kung magiging responsive. And si nanay parang nagpa-try.
Any other one to try?
Ayan, si nanay nag-try mag-massage. Gomi! Ayan, ayan siya. Ayan, so guys, nagpa-try ako sa binte. Lower. Here. Sana walang...
Indonesia. Indonesia.
Oh, Indonesian. You're an Indonesian.
Cara kampung ada sama sedikit Filipin.
I've been to Ubud,
Iya,
Bali.
bukan. Saya orang Indonesia Jakarta.
So, sorry, I will make it. Yeah.
Hot
Not yet.
tidak ada.
So, anyone who else
Hot.
want to try?
And so, uminit nga siya. And so, uminit siya guys. So, sana mag-work.
Halo na, yung na.
And so, nilagyan ako dito. Parang medyo yellowish siya ng konti. And so, tignan natin mamaya kung mawawala yung sakit or effective.
Okay, you know,
Ayan na, guys,
one bottle
pricing na.
original price is 150 RMB. But if you get two, one for free, that means 3 bottles, 300. On average, every bottle is 100 ml. No, 100 RMB. So very cheaper. So,
So 300 tatlo. Buy two, take one.
You bottle, one bottle, you can separate. Yes, it's cheaper. Okay, so everyone, I will tell you the same price with the essential oil. This one, Salonpas. Salonpas has the same price.
Yung mga thunders natin, nagustuhan yung sa
Yes,
Salonpas eh.
Salonpas has the same price.
Tuwang-tuwa eh.
One box is 150. So you can, if you buy two essential oil, maybe you can one more essential oil for one set. Maybe you can choose this one to replace the salon mask. Maybe different match. Two cluster, one essential oil, 300. That's okay. Or 3 boxes, 300. That's okay. So different match, the same price according to your interest. Okay. So that's
So mix and
that.
match pwede. So guys, ayan, may mga bumibili na. And reminder lang dito, if you like the price, pwede pa rin makipag-haggle. Pero nasa sa inyo pa rin kung bibili kayo o hindi. So, bumili kami nito last time, kaya ngayon pass na muna.
Okay. Anyone want to next one?
So guys, ito na yung part na may mga doctors na pag gusto nyo magpa-check sa kanila and magpe-prescribe sila ng medicine, lalagyan kayo sa ibang room or ita-transfer kayo sa ibang room. So far, isang family pa lang yung
So
nagpa-check.
everyone, from the franchise.
So guys, lumabas na ako doon kasi nag-check na yung mga doctors, and essentially yung gist niya is the same nung nangyari sa amin nung Shanghai nung nagpunta kami ni Kai, na ano lang, mag-check lang, tapos yun, mag-offer sila ng medicine, and then magdi-discuss. So compulsory naman to, so kailangan natin siyang gawin, and part siya ng tour. Pinakita ko lang din sa inyo yung actual experience para may idea kayo. Guys, ang mga magagandang ref magnet na to ay 10 daw. Magaganda. Sulit na siya sa 10, I think. Parang nasa 100 pesos. Yan, ganda. Ang dami dito. Ito din 10. This one 10 too. Yan. Oh, ang dami pagpipilian. Magaganda naman, sulit na to sa 10. Alright guys, so tapos na tayo dito sa compulsory shopping, and dahil dyan, i-end ko na muna ang vlog na ito guys. Abangan na ating next destination sa next episode, at kung natapos ninyo ang video ito, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking future vlogs. See you sa next episode. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat. Bye!